In today's video, I am going to teach you how to rack time with Zoho projects. Time tracking in Zoho projects is built right into your tasks, so you can record your work as it happens, instead of trying to remember it later. The key idea is simple. You start a timer on the exact task you are working on, and when you are done, you stop it from the global timer bar. This keeps your time entries accurate and tied to the right task. First, open Zoho projects and go into the project where you need to track time. Once you are inside that project, find and select the Tasks tab. This is the main list of work items for that project, and it is where you will start the timer. Next, locate the specific task you are about to begin. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct task name, especially if there are similar tasks or repeated titles. Accuracy here matters, because the timer will record time directly against the task you choose. Now, hover your cursor over that task row. When you hover, you will see task controls appear on the right side of the row. Look for the Start Timer button shown as a play icon. Click that play icon to begin tracking. At this point, Zoho Projects starts counting time in the background while you work. A helpful tip is to keep your task list open or easily accessible, so you can quickly confirm the timer is running on the correct task before you switch to other work. When you finish working on that task, stop the timer. To do this, go to the bottom global bar in Zoho Projects. This bar stays available across the app, so you can stop timing even if you have navigated away from the task list. Find the Stop Timer button shown as a square icon and click it. That ends the current time session and ensures your tracked time is saved properly. If you need to start another task afterward, return to the Tasks tab, hover over the next task, and start the timer again so each work session is recorded cleanly. That covers everything you need to know.